Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we add signatures in our page. So for that, first we have to take a picture and crop it in the shape, and then you have to click on insert and click on add picture. Now select your signature picture, just double click on that and then select the picture and click on wrap text and make in front of the text. Now move it to the bottom of the picture and use these dots to resize it. Place it on the bottom side and it's done. So this is, sometimes we say it's a virtual signature. So you can use this one also. So this way guys, you can add a signature in the bottom side. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.